Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. Recently, a friend's daughter asked me to make a baby doll dress for her. So when I was thrift shopping, I found this ugly check dress. It was only $5 and I knew it would be perfect for this project. It was really well made and the fabric would be easy to sew. I bought it straight away. In this quick upcycling tutorial, I'll show you step by step how I upcycled the dress. Actually, partway through, I made some changes to my original concept and was so happy with the result. Let's get started. The first step was to get rid of the chunky collar. To do this, I simply tucked it into the dress and stitched a new seam to hold it in place, cutting off the excess from the original collar. Next, I made the sleeves shorter. I used a line from the check fabric as my cutting guide. When sewing, I'm always looking for shortcuts to make the project faster and easier. I then sewed the new sleeve hem on the sewing machine. This could be hand stitched or done with iron-on hemming tape. Next, I took in the side seams to make it more fitted and smaller. To soften the masculine black check fabric, I sewed hot pink ribbon around the sleeves and neckline. And finally, I sewed a row of shirring elastic around the sleeve, which completely transformed the dress. I hadn't originally intended to do this, but was so happy with the result. I think it made all the difference. And here it is finished with me wearing it. My friend's daughter looked so much better in it, and she loved it. She looked amazing. It makes me so happy to be able to share my love of thrifting and sewing with friends and family. Thanks for watching. I've got a bunch of exciting projects on the boil at the moment, so if you love clothes upcycling, subscribe so you don't miss an update. See you next time.